So this poem is called How Can I Breathe? Okay. How can I breathe? Okay. How can I breathe when my love for you got me choking on my next breath? Talking to you, love, 'cause my love for you is all I got left. Don't you ever forget, you're my heart keeper. My love for you is like art. Feel your heart go deeper, way past your past. My love for you makes my knees get weaker. How can I breathe when just the thought of you, your love makes me wet, like stepping out in the rain, window pane. Thunderstorm, Jamie Foxx playing slow, and his song slowly gets me sinking deeper into my headphones so I can hear your sweet Jamaican native tongue and how you simply say good morning, queen, and my whole world is brightened. With the crinkle of a smile, I feel enlightened. Boy, you got this little chubby American girl open like 24-hour gas stations, ready to tend to all your needs. Got fresh coffee in the pot, even got trees. Yes, trees like pot leaves. Bay makes me feel cool like the night breeze. And he's my weed. I inhale him when I'm happy or stressed. And when I exhale him, sometimes he makes me choke on my words, for only I eat the fruits of the words I harvest. He leaves me feeling relaxed, with not a care in the world but to sit back and exhale, inhale, exhale him once or twice more. Our love has me intoxicated, feeling myself while chilling on a cloud, smoking on him while the residue blackens my lips. Positive vibes fill my heart, causing me to express my love to him with anyone. My love for him makes me feel like a black hippie, just trying to spread love while smoking weed. Now that's groovy. Your love for me makes my love for you a drug, an addiction, a craving, an awesome fucking high. I love you, my Jamaican King, aka Shatta.